नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंदशूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Ramakrishna Mission, Rajamahendravaram, is a spiritually oriented service organization doing yeoman service in the field of medicine and education for the last 7 decades. Our activities are purely dependent on the generous donations from the philanthropic like-minded people. But for their support and help, we will not be able to continue our services in a befitting manner. Ramakrishna Mission Rajamahendravaram is a branch center of Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission Belur Mutt, which is founded by Swami Vivekananda. As such, we are running a charitable dispensary on the banks of river Godavari, in which 300 to 350 poor patients are being provided treatment and medicine at a affordable cost. Many distinguished and renowned local doctors are extending their support and service voluntarily. X-ray, clinical lab, scanning machine, dental, homeopath, physiotherapy are available at our charitable dispensary. Twice a week, on Tuesday and Thursday, those poor patients are being served noon food freely. More importantly, we are having mobile dispensary unit in the agency area for tribals at Rampachodavaram Mandalam, 50 kilometers away from Rajahmundry, and every Sunday we are visiting the tribal villages with eminent doctors and paramedical staff to serve the underprivileged society of ours who are badly in need of medical attention. Annually, we are screening 40,000 patients, and in case necessary for advanced treatment, we are bringing them to Rajahmundry and Kakinada for admission. Every week, not less than 5 to 6 patients are being brought to Rajahmundry for cataract operations also, and approximately 30 lakhs worth of medicines are being given to the tribal people for free of cost. All this has become possible only through the generous donations from the devotees and public. We have adopted 40 students from poor economic background. They are being imparted meditation and yoga classes, taking care of their academic studies through special tuition classes, imparting values. For youth, we are running spoken English classes, computer coaching center in the name of Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence. Regarding the religious activities, we are having a beautiful temple dedicated to Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. Daily worship, regular discourses, bhajans, satsang, and occasional spiritual retreats celebrating the birthdays of Holy Trio and direct disciples are being held. For all these activities to run smoothly, we humbly request the devotees and generous public to come forward and have the privilege in joining hands with us and be a part and parcel in our mutt and mission activities with their might. Our needs. There is an urgent need to construct 10 consultation rooms in our charitable dispensary, estimated cost rupees 150 lakhs. Second, we would like to create a corpus fund for medical and educational activities with rupees 4 crores. We pray Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna to shower his choicest blessings on all of us. The bank details are provided at the end of this video and also in the description. Kindly intimate us your address, phone number, PAN number with a consent letter immediately after sending the donations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.